Good day, everyone. This is SpeakUP. Today I'm going to talk about a topic that is currently in season in the Philippines, the elections. So keep watching and learn. Elections in the Philippines are held every 2nd of May, every 3rd year, and 6th year after May 1992. The President, the Vice President, and half of the Senate are elected for a 6-year term, while Congress, the other half of the Senate, and local elections are held every 3 years. Here are other facts that you should know about elections in the Philippines. Number 1. The voting age in the Philippines starts at 18, and the voter should have been a resident of the country for at least a year, and for at least 6 months in the place he or she is registering. Number 2. Voter participation is around 70% to 85%. Filipino voters overseas are allowed to vote in presidential elections. Number 3. The Philippine elections are characterized by lots of candidates and electoral positions. Number 4. The Philippines has a multi-party system with numerous parties in which no one party often has a chance of gaining power alone. Number 5. In 2016, the Philippines automated their elections using electronic vote counting machines for the 3rd time in a row. The deployment of 92,500 of these machines was the largest in the world. Number 6. In the early 2000s, it became a trend for politicians to appear in advertisements and commercials to make money and to be recognized. Politicians have appeared on TV, radio, billboards, and posters. Number 7. Elections in the Philippines often have problems like fraud and irregularities. Polling stations could run out of ballots. Ballot boxes could go missing, and the list goes on. Lastly, according to an article, Philippine elections are typically battles between powerful political families. Our elections could still encounter problems and irregularities in the future. So a reform in the system is much needed. This is the hope of every Filipino citizen. Anyway, these are just bits of information about elections in the Philippines. For more details, refer to my sources below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.